Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening and speaking skills. Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and listening. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Are you ready? Let's begin. Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. I feel very fresh today.
Really? Why do you feel fresh?
Because I woke up early this morning.
Wow, you woke up early? That is amazing.
Why is that amazing?
Because I woke up late today.
Oh no, what time did you wake up?
I woke up at 9:30.
9:30? That's very late.
Yes, I know. My alarm rang, but I turned it off.
You turned it off and went back to sleep?
Yes, just 5 more minutes.
Let me guess, it was not 5 minutes.
Yes, it was 1 hour.
That happens to many people. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 in the morning.
That's good.
But today I was very sleepy.
I understand. Sometimes we feel tired.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 in the morning.
Wow, that's very early.
Yes, I like to start my day early.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I brush my teeth.
Okay,
Then I wash my face.
that sounds refreshing.
Yes, it feels very good.
I do the same thing.
Really?
Yes, but sometimes I check my phone first.
That's not a good habit.
I know, but my phone is very interesting.
Social media again.
Yes, just 5 minutes.
Let me guess, not 5 minutes again.
Yes, maybe 20 minutes.
Oh no, that wastes time.
Yes, I need to change that habit.
After brushing my teeth, I drink a glass of water.
Water?
Yes, drinking water in the morning is very healthy.
That sounds like a good idea.
You should try it.
Maybe tomorrow or next year.
Not next year, tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I usually eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
That sounds delicious.
Sometimes I drink coffee, too.
I love coffee.
Really? Me too.
Coffee makes me feel awake.
Yes. Without coffee, I feel like a zombie.
A zombie?
Yes. Slow and sleepy.
That is funny. I usually eat toast and fruit.
Fruit is very healthy.
Yes, I like bananas and apples.
I like bananas too.
Bananas give you energy.
I need a lot of energy, especially in the morning.
Especially when you wake up late.
Yes, exactly.
So, Paul, after breakfast, what do you do?
After breakfast, I get dressed.
Okay.
Then I prepare my bag.
What do you usually put in your bag?
Let me think.
You don't remember?
I remember I just need time.
All right, take your time.
I put my phone, my wallet, and my keys.
Good. Those are important things.
Yes, without my keys, I cannot leave the house.
That sounds like a big problem.
Yes, one time I forgot my keys.
Oh no, what happened?
I locked the door, and then I realized my keys were inside.
That is very funny.
Not funny at that time.
So what did you do?
I called my friend.
Did your friend help you?
Yes, he brought a spare key.
That's lucky.
Yes, very lucky.
After you prepare your bag, what do you do next?
I leave my house.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Do you like taking the bus?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why sometimes no?
Because the bus can be very crowded.
Ah, too many people?
Yes, too many people.
That can be uncomfortable.
Yes, especially in the morning.
What time do you go to work?
I usually leave my house at 8.
And what time do you arrive at work?
Around 8:30.
That's not too bad.
Yes, but sometimes the bus is late.
Oh no, that's stressful.
Yes, when I'm late, my boss is not happy.
I understand. What do you do when you arrive at work?
First, I sit at my desk.
Okay,
Then I turn on my computer.
that sounds very normal.
Yes, very normal daily routine.
Do you drink coffee at work?
Of course, coffee is my best friend.
Your best friend?
Yes, coffee helps me stay awake.
How many cups of coffee do you drink?
Maybe 2 cups.
Only 2?
Okay, maybe 3.
3 cups is a lot.
I know, but I love coffee.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I eat lunch.
What time do you usually eat lunch?
Around 12:30.
What do you usually eat?
I eat rice, chicken, and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Do you eat with your coworkers?
Yes, we eat together.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we talk and laugh.
What do you talk about?
Many things.
Like what?
We talk about movies, food, and sometimes work.
Sometimes work?
Yes, we try not to talk about work too much.
That's a good idea. Do you feel sleepy after lunch?
Yes, very sleepy.
Me too.
After lunch, I feel like I want to sleep.
But you cannot sleep at work.
Yes, that is the problem.
So what do you do?
I drink another cup of coffee.
Again coffee?
Yes, coffee saves my life.
Coffee hero.
Yes, coffee hero.
Do you work all afternoon?
Yes, I work until evening.
Do you enjoy your work?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why sometimes no?
Because sometimes I feel tired.
That's normal.
Yes, working all day can be tiring.
Do you take short breaks?
Yes, I take short breaks.
What do you do during breaks?
I stretch my body.
That's good for your health.
Yes, sitting too long is not good.
Very true.
Sometimes I also check my phone.
Social media again?
Yes, just a little.
Only a little?
Okay, maybe not so little.
I knew it. So, Paul, what time do you finish work?
I usually finish work at 5:30 in the evening.
That sounds like a normal time.
Yes, after work, I feel very tired.
I understand. Working all day can be tiring.
Yes, especially when I drink too much coffee.
Coffee again.
Yes, coffee is always there.
So, what do you do after work?
After work, I go home.
How do you go home?
I go home by bus again.
Is the bus crowded in the evening?
Yes, sometimes it is very crowded.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Yes, but sometimes I get a seat.
That's lucky.
Yes, when I get a seat, I feel very happy.
What do you do on the bus?
Sometimes I listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, music helps me relax.
Do you ever fall asleep on the bus?
Yes, one time.
Oh no, what happened?
I missed my stop.
Really?
Yes, I woke up and I was very far from home.
That must be annoying.
Yes, but now I set an alarm.
That's a smart idea. When you arrive home, what do you do first?
First, I take a shower.
That sounds refreshing.
Yes, after a long day, I feel fresh again.
Do you eat dinner after that?
Yes, I usually eat dinner at 7.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes fish.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Do you cook your dinner?
Sometimes I cook.
And sometimes?
Sometimes I order food.
Ordering food is easy.
Yes, very easy, but not always healthy.
That's true. What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I relax.
How do you relax?
I watch TV.
What do you like to watch?
I like to watch movies and funny videos.
Funny videos?
Yes, they make me laugh.
Laughing is good for your health.
Yes, laughing makes me happy.
Do you ever study English at night?
Yes, sometimes I study English.
That's great.
I watch English videos like this one.
That's very good.
Yes, I want to improve my English.
Practice makes perfect.
Yes, I practice every day.
That's the spirit. Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you enjoyed this English listening practice. Remember, practice your English every day, little by little. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.